Right, Em, we're back on the carrot patch.
Yes, remember we sowed these, must have been early, it was in March, which is very early for carrots.
Only one cold grey day.
It was, and I think you actually covered them with cloches to keep them, to protect them.
Yeah, just to protect them.
Just to tick them over, and
it took a long time to get going, understandably.
and we've had sort of various weather. We've had very dry, very wet, and then dry. So it'll be interesting to see how they've done.
Well, we've covered them with this insect netting, which hopefully is protected from carrot fly, but we never know until we
Shall we
them.
look?
So let's have a look.
So,
Oh, weeds.
it's exciting. Right,
Ah, shall we try?
shall we try a carrot? Oh,
Looks
there's a carrot there.
promising, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Shall we try that one?
yeah.
Try and get, I don't know how deep they go.
Hey!
Not too bad. It's got a little bit of a friend, but I wasn't sure about this soil because I thought it might be a bit stony, so it hasn't kind of...
Well, that could explain why it's kind of stony soil causes them to fork like that sometimes. Try another one.
Shall we try another one? We have thinned them out a bit, so...
Oh,
Oh, I think I've caught that one a bit, but never mind.
oh, that's
that's
a
a nice one.
handsome carrot.
Right.
They're all right, those.
Any sign of carrot fly?
No sign of carrot fly.
That's good, isn't it?
What you look for is the little tunnels
Yeah.
in there, and there aren't any.
I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but we did plant some spring onions. It's a kind of companion plant as well.
Which is supposed
just
to help, yeah.
Yeah.
But I bet the covering them nearly the whole crop has just helped that, don't you?
Yeah, I would think so.
That's a really good carrots.
I mean, that one looks like it's going to seed, doesn't it?
Yeah, we've got one here that's
Just
about
that
to
one.
flower.
This one doesn't look so good, does
That's interesting.
it? Yeah, that's all. I mean, it's still edible, but
Yeah,
brilliant.
I would say that's hit a stone, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And then what's happened is it's then shot
Gone
off
shot that way.
and the other way.
But that's what you get, unless your ground is really stone free. You're going to get a bit of that.
Go for it. Wow.
Better.
Look at those.
Not bad at all.
That shows how good thinning makes all the difference.
Yeah,
Good soil, no stones,
as opposed to that.
as opposed to that haven't been
We
thinned.
think might have been sowed later
Yeah.
anyway. There we go. Carrots.